Osmo Mobile 3. Disclaimer and warning. Congratulations on purchasing your new DJI Osmo product. The information in these documents affects your safety and your legal rights and responsibilities. Read this entire document carefully to ensure proper configuration before use. Failure to read and follow instructions and warnings in this document may result in serious injury to yourself or others, damage to your DJI Osmo products, or damage to other objects in the vicinity. These documents and all other collateral documents are subject to change at the sole discretion of DJI Osmo. For up-to-date products information, visit http://www.dji.com and click on the product page for this product. By using this product, you hereby signify that you have read this disclaimer and warning carefully and that you understand and agree to abide by the terms and conditions herein. You agree that you are solely responsible for your own conduct while using the product and for any consequences thereof. You agree to use this product only for purposes that are proper and in accordance with all application laws, rules, and regulations and all terms, precautions, practices, policies, and guidelines DJI Osmo has made and may make available. DJI Osmo accepts no liability for damage, injury, or any legal responsibility incurred directly or indirectly from the use of this product. The user shall observe safe and lawful practices including but not limited to those set forth in this document. Osmo is a trademark of SG DJI Osmo Technology Company Ltd, abbreviation as DJI Osmo, and its affiliated companies. Names of products, brands, etc. appearing in this manual are trademarks or registered trademarks of their respective owners' companies. Glossary. The following terms are used throughout the product literature to indicate various levels of potential harm when operating this product. Warning: failure to properly follow procedures may result in property damage, collateral damage, and serious or superficial injury. Caution: failure to properly follow procedures may result in property damage and serious injury. Notice: failure to properly follow procedures may result in property damage, a small possibility of injury, or no possibility of injury. Warning: read the user manual to become familiar with the features of this product before operating. Failure to operate the product correctly can result in damage to the product, personal property, and cause serious injury. This product must be operated with caution and common sense and requires sound basic mechanical ability. Failure to operate this product in a safe and responsible manner could result in injury or damage of the product or other property. This product is not intended for use by children without direct adult supervision. Do not use with incompatible components or alter this product in any way outside of the documents provided by SG DJI Osmo Technology Company Ltd. The safety guidelines contain instructions for safety, operations, and maintenance. It is essential to read and follow all of the instructions and the warning in the user manual prior to assembly, setup, or use in order to operate the product correctly and avoid damage and serious injury. Before you begin, the following documents have been produced to help you safely operate and make full use of your Osmo Mobile 3. Osmo Mobile 3 Disclaimer and Safety Guidelines, Osmo Mobile 3 Quick Start Guide, Osmo Mobile 3 User Manual. Check that you have all of the included parts. Read the entire user manual and watch the tutorial videos on the product page of the official DJI website, http://dji.cosmos/osmo-mobile-3. Read the disclaimer and warning above to understand your legal rights and responsibilities. If you have any questions or problems during the installation, maintenance, or use of this product, please contact DJI Osmo or a DJI Osmo authorized dealer. Installing the DJI Memo app. Search DJI Memo on the App Store or Google Play and install the app to your mobile device. DJI Memo support iOS 10.0 or later and Android 6.0 or later. Safety guidelines. Warning 1. Do not allow the product to come into contact with any kind of liquid. Do not leave the product out in the rain or near a source of moisture. Do not drop the product into water. If the inside of the battery comes into contact with water, chemical decomposition may occur, potentially resulting in the battery catching or fire, and may even lead to an explosion. 2. Put out any product fire using water, sand, fire, blankets, or a dry powder fire extinguisher. 3. The product should be used in temperature from 0 to 40 degrees C or 32 degrees to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Use of the product in environment above 40 degrees centigrade or 104 degrees Fahrenheit can lead to a fire or explosion. Use of the product below 0. degree or 32 degree Fahrenheit can lead to permanent damage. 4. Never disassemble or piece the product in any way or the battery may leak, catch fire or explode. 5. Do not drop or strike the product. Do not place heavy objects on the product. 6. Do not heat the product. Do not put the product in a microwave oven or in a pressurized container. 7. Do not leave the product near heat sources such as a furnace or heater. Do not leave the product inside of a vehicle on hot days. The ideal storage temperature is 22 degrees C to 28 degrees C or 72 degrees to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. 8. Do not store the product fully discharged for an extended period. Otherwise, it will overdischarge, which will lead to permanent damage. Caution. 1. Intricate components inside Osmo Mobile 3 may be damaged upon impact and cause the gimbal to damage. 2. Make sure there is nothing obstructing the gimbal when Osmo Mobile 3 is powered on. 3. Osmo Mobile 3 is not water resistant. Do not use any liquid cleansers. Only use a soft dry cloth to clean Osmo Mobile 3. 4. Keep Osmo Mobile 3 away from sand and dust to safeguard the sensor in the motor. Notice 1. It is a good practice to monitor the charging progress and disconnect the product when fully charged. 2. Discharge the battery to 40% to 65% if it will not be used for 10 days or more. This can greatly extend the battery life. 3. Discharge and charge the battery completely once every 3 months to keep it in good condition. 4. Hold Osmo Mobile 3 still when it is powering up to ensure it starts up successfully. 5. Refer to the specification section for more information about mobile device compatibility. An incompatible mobile device may not be balanced and may affect the gimbal performance. 6. Fold Osmo Mobile 3 correctly before storage. Specifications. Name: Osmo Mobile 3. Model: OF100. Dimensions: unfolded 285 by 125 by 103 mm. Folded 157 by 130 by 46 mm. Weight 405 gram. Consumption 1.2 watt. Steady and balanced status. Mechanical range: pan 162.5 degree to 170.3 degree. Rule minus 85.1 degree to 252.2 degree. Tilt minus 104.5 degree to 235.7 degree. Maximum controllable speed 100 degree per s. Compatible phones. Weight 200 plus minus 30 gram. Dimension: diagonal 180 mm. Thickness 9.5 mm. Width 62 to 88 mm. Mode: Bluetooth Low Energy 5.0. Transmitter power S4 dBm. Operation frequency 2.400 to 2.4835 GHz. Type 18650 Lion. Capacity 24350 mAh. energy 17.64 Wh, voltage 7.2 V, charging temperature 5 degree to 40 degree C or 41 degree to 104 degree F, operating temperature 0 degree to 40 degree C or 32 degree to 104 degree F, charging time 2.5 hours, measured with a 10 watts charger, operating time 15 hours under ideal conditions with the gimbal fully balanced. Compliance information. FCC Compliance Notice. This device complies with Part 15 of the FCC rules. Operation is subject to the following two conditions. First, this device may not cause harmful interference. And second, this device must accept any interference received, including interference that may cause undesired operations. Any changes or modification not expressly approved by the party responsible for compliance could void the user's authority to operate the equipment. This equipment has been tested and found to comply with the limits for a Class B digital device pursuant to Part 15 of the FCC rules. These limits are designed to provide reasonable protection against harmful interference in a residential installation. This equipment generates, uses, and can ratio frequency, energy, and if not installed and used in accordance with the instructions, may cause harmful interference to radio communications. However, there is no guarantee that interference will not occur in a particular installation. If this equipment does not cause harmful interference to radio or television reception, which can be determined by turning the equipment off and on, the user is encouraged to try to correct the interference by one or more of the following measures: reorient or relocate the receiving antenna, increase the separation between the equipment and receiver, connect the equipment into an outlet on a circuit different from that to which the receiver is connected. Consult the dealer or an experienced radio TV technician for help. RF exposure information. This equipment complies with FCC radiation exposure limits set forth for an uncontrolled environment. This transmitter must not be co-located or operating in conjunction with any other antenna or transmitter. ICRSS warning. This device complies with Industry Canada License Excerpt RSS standards. Operation is subject to the following two conditions. First, this device may not cause interference. And second, this device must accept any interference, including interference that may cause undesired operation of the device. IC radiation exposure statement. This equipment complies with ICRF radiation exposure limits set forth for an uncontrolled environment. This transmitter must not be co-located or operating in conjunction with any other antenna or transmitter. This transmitter must not be co-located or operating in conjunction with any other antenna or transmitter. Any changes or modifications not expressly approved by the party responsible for compliance could void the user's authority to operate the equipment.